Hi, this is Edward from Microtech Technology Company. We are from Hong Kong and located in Shenzhen. We are a company design and manufacturing LCD display with the solution. You can see our product from small size to big size, and we have the LCD. We have come with the motherboard, so we provide you technical support to make the LCD solution AI with the solution inside and come with a ESP32 and ARM XP STM32. We can base on your requirement to make your dream to come true to the reality. So if you need LCD display and with the solution, you can come to us and we will provide you the technical support and advise your solution to build up the hardware and software. So thank you very much. If you any information, you can come to our website. Thank you very much. Yeah. Yeah. Our website is www.microtech-lcd.com. Thank you.